So we were just gifted this mini split unit from Cozeware. Very slick unit. This is everything that comes with the unit itself. You get the head unit, you get the outside condenser, all the install equipment here. This is a 12,000 BTU, 120 volt version. It is the 20 SEER, so it's going to be very efficient. We're going to get this put up here in our shop to kind of have our workspace nice and climate controlled, because it does get hot out in this metal building. And let's get it installed, and we'll show you guys when we're done all the features of the unit and how it works. So stay tuned. So they give you this great little template here so you know where to drill all your holes. We got the bracket mounted, got the hole to the exterior. So next step is mount the mini split head and run all the lines outside.
Every wire is labeled, matching to where it needs to be terminated.
All right, so long Saturday morning and we got this unit in. Looks great here in the shop. It's already blowing nice cold air. And all in all, like I mentioned, it is kind of an advanced DIY project. You do need some specialized tools to evacuate the lines, so forth. You can easily invest in those for less than it would cost for you to hire an install tech, or perhaps get it to the point where just a professional installer can evacuate the lines and release the coolant for you. That's what a lot of folks do. But all in all, it was a pretty easy install.
The unit's super easy to maintain. You can just pop the filters right out for easy cleaning.
It has all the standard mini split features. I love the fact that this unit has an app that I have on my phone, so I can monitor what's going on in the shop, and I can also cool it down a little bit or warm it up before I come out here and have it ready to go. Here you have your various swing modes. You're up and down for your temperature. This is the mode to toggle between the heat and cooling. Also has a quiet mode. You can turn off the display, turn timers on. So this thing really has all the features you'd be looking for in a mini split. You have a turbo mode, so if you really want to drop that temperature quickly, just pop it in turbo. It really ramps up. Also has an eco mode, so it's going to be very efficient to run it long term. This thing will do heat, cooling, and dehumidification. So depending on what we need here in the shop, not a problem. It's got a great little holder for the remote. So this is the condenser outside. Very clean, slick looking unit. We opted to put it on optional brackets. You could also ground mount it on a pad if you want. We just wanted it up off the ground, and very easy. Comes with the line. Hook up your power, hook up your control cable, hook up your line set, do the evacuation of the lines, and release the pre-charged coolant inside. So pretty straightforward process to put this in. And again, nice clean looking unit back here at the back of the shop. All in all, I think this is a really sleek looking unit, and so far it's worked out great.